I just love sewing, like it's so much fun. Well, if it isn't another DIY project. Today we'll be making a little denim top. It's really not that functional, like it barely covers my boobs and it's really cropped, so I'm not sure what I'll be wearing this to. Maybe like if I go on vacation, but for now it's just a fun little project, so let's get started. For this project, you're going to need like some denim straps or like some old jeans that you don't wear anymore. So I have literally these like cut up old jeans. I think I made like my bucket hat video out of these, but we're going to use this for like the cuffs, and then we're using the belt part, the waistband, for the, I don't even know what to call that, for the waistband of the shirt. We're gonna put that right there, like that. And then I thought it would be cool to do like a two-toned type of top, so I'm also going to be using these old black denim shorts that don't fit me anymore, so I thought that'd be cute. So grab some old jeans or denim, and then you can also get a bikini top or something to outline your boob. It's just easier than like measuring and trying to figure it all out. So just grab like a bikini or a bra and you'll just use that to trace it. And yeah.
First, you're gonna cut off the jeans waistband, and you can either cut or seam rip the belt loops off as well. Then just put that butchered waistband aside and we'll deal with her later. Next, take a bikini or a bra, preferably one with a triangle cup, but I couldn't find mine, and trace that outline onto the jeans. Cut out that triangle and you can use that to cut out the second one the exact same size. You now have all the pieces, and the end product will hopefully look a little bit something like this. You then want to grab one of those waistbands and seam rip it apart. You're only going to do this to one of them, so whichever one you want to be on the top is the one you should seam rip. The waistband of jeans is basically a wide, long piece of denim that is folded in half. So here you want to seam rip that folded seam so that you can unfold it and lay it flat. And this does take a while, so sit down for this one. Once it's unfolded, lay it down flat and place the other waistband inside of it. Don't place it all the way inside, but just enough so that you can sew them together. You can pin the two waistbands together or just wing it like I did. You then want to sew the two waistbands together, and I know, everybody says that you shouldn't use a regular needle on denim, let alone multiple layers of denim like I am, but your girl is way too lazy to change the needle, and what do you know? My needle did not break. So, conspiracy theory?
Now you have this part, and you probably won't be able to sew like all the way to the ends because it gets pretty thick there, but that's okay. Like it doesn't have to be like exactly lined up. So this part is going to go right under your chest, and it'll buckle like that. And then once we put all the pieces together, we'll just take in some fabric from the back to make it fit your waist. And yeah. You're then going to take your two little triangles and you're going to sew a dart on them so that they fit like your chest nicely. Oops. So you're gonna do that to both. Take a pin and you're just gonna hold it up to your boob and bring in however much. So mine is about, that's probably like half an inch. And I'm just going to sew a little triangle right like that, and it'll bring it in just a little bit to add some shape. So do that to the other triangle as well. After the darts are sewn in, the triangle cups should look a little bit something like this. It's now time to assemble all the pieces together. So you want to pin the two triangle cups to the waistband. You could be all precise and measure exactly where the cup should be located,
but I kind of just guessed and pinned them about 1/2 inch away from the buttons. You then want to attach it all together. I then went ahead and hemmed the triangle cups. Honestly, I should have done this before attaching them, but nobody's perfect. So you can either hem them before or after, or not at all, you know, you do you. Lastly, for the straps, I used the hem of the jeans because they are already the perfect width. I cut a long piece of the hem out of both jeans and attached them to the top of the triangle cups. I sewed the blue hem to the black triangle and the black hem to the blue triangle, you know, to keep that whole symmetrical vibe going. And this is what it looked like. I feel like this is one of those modest videos where the lady is giving tips on how to make your clothes less scandalous, like wearing a tank top under a v-neck or something like that. Anyways, this was just to measure how much I wanted to take the waistband in. So if it's a little bit too big for you, then you can just sew a simple straight stitch across the back. And here's the big reveal. This top is so cute, and definitely something an influencer would just wear around LA. But although I do live in LA for school, I don't think I'll have the balls enough to just wear this out and about. But it's still pretty darn cute if I do say so myself. And now enjoy me totally feeling myself in this top, dancing around my deck as my neighbors probably stare at me. And that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, I hope that this inspires you to get a little crafty and use the stuff you already have around the house. I love how this top turned out. I really like the blue and black denim contrasting, and it could really be perfect for all those parties, concerts, festivals, all that good stuff we'll finally get to once quarantine is over. So I really encourage you guys to make it if you like it. As you saw, it wasn't too complicated, just a few steps and parts. So comment any questions you have down below and we'll answer them. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.